With November nearing its end, Samsung is gearing up for the grand reveal of the Galaxy S25 series. The big event is expected in mid-January, and if rumors are to be believed, the devices will hit store shelves just 2 weeks later. But that's not all. There's speculation about a Galaxy S25 Slim surprise launch during the same unpacked event. While nothing is official yet, the timeline seems to align perfectly with Samsung's usual release strategy. Mobile phone major design overhaul for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung seems to be shaking things up this time. According to leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has ditched the long-standing Note-style design. Fans have been asking for a more ergonomic build, and Samsung appears to have delivered by replacing sharp corners with rounded edges. If you've ever found the corners of the Galaxy S24 Ultra a bit uncomfortable, this update will be a game-changer. Famous Tipster Ice Universe even shared dummy model images, highlighting how the rounded corner design improves animations, offering smoother transitions compared to the rigid right-angle displays. It's these subtle upgrades that could make the Galaxy S25 Ultra one of Samsung's best-designed phones yet. Hammer and wrench premium build and advanced features. Leaked renders and rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast a titanium body paired with Corning's glare-free glass for unmatched durability and style. The phone will likely retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, delivering a buttery smooth 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate and stunning outdoor visibility. Under the hood, expect Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, rumored to be an absolute powerhouse. While some markets might hope for an Exynos variant, the Ultra series is expected to stick with Snapdragon globally, ensuring peak performance everywhere. Battery life and charging upgrades. The 5000 mAh battery remains, but thanks to Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency, we might see longer-lasting performance. Faster charging? Fingers crossed. While 45W wired charging is likely to stay, rumors of improved AI-powered battery management suggest up to 10% extra runtime. Glowing Star One UI 7 and future-proof software support. Launching with Android 15 and the highly anticipated One UI 7, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to introduce a revamped control center, customizable lock screens, and Galaxy AI enhancements. Samsung's 7-year software support policy means this phone will stay updated until 2032, an incredible bonus for long-term users. Rocket next-gen storage and RAM. One exciting leak reveals the Galaxy S25 Ultra may be the first phone with UFS 4.0 for lane storage, offering lightning-fast speeds. Base models will start at 256 GB, with options for 512 GB and 1 TB, alongside up to 16 GB of RAM for seamless multitasking. Globe with Meridians. Why wait for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? With everything we've heard so far, from a sleek redesign to game-changing features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to redefine what a flagship phone can do. If you've been holding off on upgrading, this might just be the phone worth waiting for. Speedballoon, what are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the Galaxy S25 and beyond. Stay tuned, more exciting tech news is just around the corner. See you next time.